We understood. Now the next thing is, what is last pause? Let's see. So last pause means what will be the last symbol or last alphabet which may occur if I use the particular node. Okay. Now here you see, I just change the color. Now see, for a leaf node, obviously the first pause and last pause will be the same because only A is there. A will be the first, A will be the last, nothing else, right? So I'll simply write here 1 for A, for this position, right? For this node. So for this it will be 2. For this it will be, for this it will be 1 2. Why? How? So you see, we have A or B, right? A or B means if I choose A, then what is the what is the last pause? It will be 1. If I choose this B, then we'll have 2, right? Meaning the last will be B. So 1 and 2 both are possible. When it comes to star node, we'll simply copy it because it doesn't have more than one child. So for these, we can write it as 3. We can write 4 for this. We can write 5 for this. Last pause. These are last pauses, right? For this hash, we have 6. The last pause. Now coming to this. This is something you need to understand. So this particular, let me write it here. Okay. So this particular node, what is this corresponding to? So A or B star followed by A, right? Now what is the possible last pause for this regular expression? This node, right? This node. So this node is corresponding to this particular regular expression, right? So what will be the last pause of this? So you can see, I can choose this as the first, I can choose this as the first, I can choose this as the first if I delete the star, right? Or if I make the star as 0. Those will be the first. But what will be the last? The last is always A, isn't it? If I make these as null, it doesn't matter. This entire thing, whatever the string it develops, right, or it produces, it will be ending with A always, right? So the last will always be A. And which A? What is the position of this A? Position of this A is 3. The position of this B is 2. The position of this A is 1. So always it will be ending with 3, no matter what. I cannot nullify this, right? So the last pause of this will be 3, no matter what. The last pause of this will be 4, just like the logic is same, right? Because here it will be followed by B for this particular node, So B, and the position of B is 4 here, right? So always the last will be B, no matter what. The same logic, the last pause of this node will be 5 and the last pause of this node will be 6. I hope you understood how the first pause and last pauses are being calculated. It is very intuitive.